ticket for it.
I know you're in there. I know you're in there. That's funny. Do you tape? No, I'm just gonna show it underneath the door. No, you're supposed to.
Did she close the door in your face?
You're gay.
Let us in. Let us in.
She told me I was gay, which was not nice.
Right up back of this.
You homo. Not nice. Julie.
I can't believe she locked us out.
I know. It's dark in there. I wish they had a phone so I could call them.
You have your cell phone?
Yeah.
Just call her.
I want to call from this number. Oh, I'm not the dial. What the hell's wrong with this phone? It dials after like 4 numbers. What am I calling?
It's probably an extension.
What should I call you, Julie?
I think you should take it up now.
No, if there's answer machine, I'm gonna leave a message. You have 1 minute till it's done.
Great, no admittance. Fucking homo. She tells us we're losers. She's just gonna sit out here until she opens the door.
Yeah.
What?
Is there stuff on the picture?
So? Right over the stuff.
Oh, I'll make you come watch this and ruin it for you.
It's almost done. There's like 30 more seconds. Oh, I lost my keys again.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Where'd you leave them?
I don't know.
Oh, are they in Jess's room?
Maybe. No, maybe they're in Nellie's. Maybe they're in Jess's. I don't know, maybe they're... Julie, I lost my keys. Julie! I don't know where did I leave them in
You're like
your room?
you're rejecting your children right now.
I'm crying.
She does not care.
It's a commercial. It's a commercial!
It's probably over. You wanna go find your keys?
Oh, next Thursday. Oh, I don't want to hear it. It's not done yet. It's like preview. I wonder where Aaron is.
No, Aaron would let us in.
Yeah, no.
Let's go find your keys.
I'm not sure.